create Pandas DataFrame from a string. In order to test some functionality, I would like to create a data frame from a string. Let's say my test data looks like. What is the simplest way to read that data into a Pandas data frame?
A simple way to do this is to use stringio.stringio, Python 2, or io.stringio, Python 3, and pass that to the pandas.read_csv function. e.g. This answer applies when a string is manually entered, not when it's read from somewhere. A traditional variable with CSV is unreadable for storing data as a string variable. Especially for use inside a .py file, consider fixed with pipe-separated data instead. Various IDEs and editors may have a plugin to format pipe-separated text into a neat table. Using read_csv. Store the following in a utility module, e.g. util pandas.py. An example is included in the function's docstring. Non-working alternatives. The code below doesn't work properly because it adds an empty column on both the left and right sides. As for read_fwf, it doesn't actually use so many of the optional corgs that read_csv accepts and uses. As such, it shouldn't be used at all for pipe-separated data.
A quick and easy solution for interactive work is to copy and paste the text by loading the data from the clipboard. Select the content of the string with your mouse. In the Python shell, use read_clipboard. Use the appropriate separator.
Split method.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.